Welcome to Online Money Hunter, where I teach you guys how to make money. Today we are going to talk about this DOP, okay? And what we are going to talk about today is nothing but the staking stuff, okay? I'm going to teach you guys how you can stake your DOP. Waiting for their listing date, okay? But now let's do the ones that we can do, okay? And what we are going to do right now is to stake our coin, okay, in order to generate more DOP. Let me tell us one thing, okay, and this is the facts. This DOP is going to do a lot of wonders. Just mark today's date. This DOP is going to do what? A lot of wonders. A lot of people are going to make crazy amount of money with this DOP. You know, a lot of people are eager to know the listing dates, okay, and without going through their white paper, which is they are following it step by step. You can't force them, or you can, or make them do what they are not yet ready to do, okay? So I'm going to share with you how you can do this. It's very simple and straight, okay? So this is their update this evening saying DOP staking is now live. So this is the link of the stake. Enjoy flexible staking with no fixed lockup period, okay? This is what you should know, okay? Because other ones, you will see that they are going to tell you that you are going to lock your coin like 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. Do you understand? So but what they are said here is that there's no fixed date, okay? No fixed period also. So you are the one to unstake whenever you feel like. That's what they are mean here. So DOP Mainnet airdrop campaign is still on, and the link is there in the description if you haven't joined the campaign. And always remember that whenever you join the campaign, whatever you make is going to be converted to DOP. I mean the point that you are going to be making, okay? The point is going to convert to DOP. So guys, let's do this one. Let me share with you how to do this staking stuff. So I'm going to use the DOP I bought through the pre-sale, okay? So let's go. Let me click on this link. So this is the official TG, okay, Telegram. So once I click on that, you can see that my DOP is being connected, but I'm going to disconnect it so that I will share with you how you can connect yours. So once you find yourself in this place, you can see where I'm touching, okay? Once you find yourself here, what you are going to do is very simple. You are going to connect your link, okay? You are going to connect your link. Maybe you can use MetaMask, you can use Trust Wallet, you can use any decentralized exchange you have, okay? So what we are going to do right now is to connect our wallet by clicking on this connect. You can see where I'm touching. So I'm going to touch here. Always make sure that you have a stable network, okay? So I click on this. So after clicking on that, I'm going to click on this, okay? You can see the decentralized exchange you can make use of. So I'm going to click on this select wallet. So I'm going to click on Trust Wallet here. Then I'm going to click on this just once, okay? So once I click on just once, I'm going to enter my fingerprint here. So you can see what you are going to see here. DOP staking want to connect to your wallet. So I'm going to click on this particular place, this Ethereum, okay? I click on Ethereum. Then I'm going to click on this connect right now. You can see where I'm touching. I click on connect. So it's going to fetch it. You can see that it's being connected immediately. So what I'm going to do, you can see that DOP staking, stake your DOP token and earn reward, okay? And this first one is DOP reward pool. That's a 209.99999, okay? Then the total DOP staked, that's here. So here is current APY, that's a 56.95% here. So the total reward is based on the amount you are staking, okay? So here you are going to see my stake and my unstaking. So if you want to stake, you are going to click here. If you want to unstake your coin, you are still going to click here. So the ones you want. So let me click on this. You can see it here. So what you are going to do is to click on this on stake. If you have stake and you want to collect your money, so you are going to click on that on stake. Then you are going to unstake your DOP. So I click on stake here. So it's still fetching, okay? So you can see that DOP staked 0 and claimed reward 0 because I haven't staked anything. This is just going live right now. So claimable reward and this one is DOP restaked. You can see it here. So here you are going to see stake and unstake. So I click on stake. So once I click on stake, you can see that my wallet balance is 4,136.456. You can see it here. So I'm going to, and the percent, the APY percent that I'm going to be getting is 56.93%. You can see it here. So once I click on stake here, I click on stake, then enter the amount to, okay, the amount should be greater than 0. So I'm going to click on this, enter the amount to stake. So you can see here, once I click on max, it simply means that I'm going to stake this 4136.45616. okay, that's what it means. So once I click on that, I click on stake. So after that, the next thing is to click on confirm. It's confirming it. I'm going to click on this trust wallet, then I click on just once. I'm going to click on this fingerprint. So I'm going to confirm it. This is ETH, then the main wallet is this, okay, and the network fee is 3.31. okay, that's the network fee. So the max is 3.31. I don't know whether I have more up to that, so I'm going to add more ETH here in order to perform this transaction. So I'm going to enter the amount right now. Let me go and add some money here. So guys, after adding the money for transaction, okay, I have transferred money to the transaction. So I'm going to click on confirm here. Let's try it again. So I click on this trust wallet, I click on this just once. So I'm going to enter my password. So here I'm going to approve it. You can see what they said. So I'm going to click on approve. So I put my password again. So it's confirming the approved transaction. So let's wait. So guys, let me try this again. The one that I did, I don't know whether it went well. So let me try it again by clicking on stake now. So I'm going to click on max. I click on stake. I confirm it. So wait. So I click on this trust wallet. I click on just once. I enter my password. So I'm going to click on this approve. So you can see DOP, and the network fee I think is quite high. The network fee is quite high, $10. Wow, 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 wow. It's $10. So let me try it again. Wow, it's now $11. This is too much, but let's just take it. I confirm it. Maybe you should try yours, maybe during in the night, okay, because a lot of people have been trying to stake theirs. Okay, that's the reason why the network fee is quite high. Okay, but I think if you try it like that kind 11 o'clock or that kind 1 2 in the midnight, you can do this to check whether yours will work. Okay, but because of the sake of this video, I don't think I'll wait till then. Let me just stake it, stay confirming. Let's just give it a time. So guys, I think that it has already staked. So let's check. Yes, you can see here that DOP stake, and the amount I stake is 4,136.456. Then here is DOP I supposed to be getting as reward here. You guys understand? So that's here, and here is the time, and this claim available in 89 days. Wow, I'm just sharing you what this is all about. So You can't stake or claim this till 89 days. Wow, you can see it. So you are the one to decide whether to stake or not. You can see it right here, 89 days. That's the time that I'm supposed to unclaim this. So you can see my activities. This is the date. So my activities, the date is 28. That's the time that I should unstake this if I'm correct. Okay, so you can see it right here. So you are the one to know whether you are going to wait till then. If you don't, or if you can't wait till then, I think you should not stake yours. That's the simple fact. Okay, if you think that you can't wait till this 28 2024, okay, that's about 2 or 3 months to come, almost 3 months. So if you can't wait till then, it simply means that you should not stake. But if you can wait, okay, so here is restake. If you don't want to restake, maybe if you don't want to restake, they're going to take maybe some percentage from your stake. That's there. So I think I have shared everything you need to know about this and how it goes, how you are going to make money. But if you can, or if you can wait, because everything about crypto is wait. If you can wait, it simply means that you are going to make a lot of money with this DOP, because I believe that their strategy is going to make us a lot of money. You can see everything here. So if you love what I'm doing, please make sure that you keep smashing that subscription button. Turning on the notification bell is not bad. Then make sure you give us sweet comment. Tell me what you think about this. Do you think is you are just wasting your time, or do you think that it's worth wasting time? Okay, so just tell me. And the link to join the mainnet campaign is there, where you are going to be getting your percentage. Okay, or let me just click on that mainnet. Let me share something with you guys. Mainnet, I share it with you before, but I'm going to share you something here again. So let me log in. So you can see that I have 2.16k here. You can see it. This is my mainnet. Okay, and if you come to this my badge here, let me share something with you. You can see that um I have passed my KYC here. You can see that I have passed my KYC here. You can see that I have completed my email verification and joined their Discord server, and also joined their Twitter and also Telegram. That's here. So here I'm going to share with you something. Before, they said that you need to encrypt like $500 worth of ETH here, but I think that maybe because I just I just staked. I think it's because I staked, or I don't know, but they just released that place, because this is the place, like this place now, they locked it before your KYC. So try and do your KYC. Okay, try and do your KYC. This DOP will be worth, wasting time on, because when you will start making millions of your local currency, you understand that whatever that you are doing in this crypto world, it need patience. Okay, you need to wait. So this is encrypt. If you can encrypt, just because the network fee of ETH is too high. If not, I would have done all this encrypt and everything here. But and the more we wait, it's the more the network fee is more expensive. So my candy advice is that if you have money, just swap some of your coin to ETH now, because within some months to come, the network fee is going to be crazy. Do you understand? So what you should do is to make sure that you swap some ETH now, so that it can also grow. When the network fee is growing, your money will also, your ETH will also be growing. Do you understand? So that's my advice. Okay, so you are going to see my referral link in the description. Just join this DOP. Okay, join their mainnet, do the task. You can see how the task look like. Just complete all these tasks. I'm going to drop the link to the video I made, because of for this DOP mainnet, I made video on this. So you are going to see the link in the description also. So you are the one to decide whether you are going to wait and make this money or not. Okay, but I would advise you to wait, because it's worth waiting for. See you guys at the top, and please make sure you share this with your friends so that they can join us to make this money, because I love making money. That's the reason why I always come here to share my knowledge. Okay, so make sure you smash that subscription button, turn on the notification bell, and also give me a sweet comment, like this video. Okay, it will encourage me to do more, because I love doing anything at all that will help us make money this bull run. Okay, see you guys at the top. Bye bye.